fear in maths. You have to find the path to overcome fear in maths. You will get success in that. To overcome fear in maths, you will get success in that.
Hello students, welcome to our channel Fearless Maths class. Rumki ma'am here. Today I discuss about the deleted or deducted portion in class 9 standard in the CBSE board. CBSE board already decided 30% of the syllabus of class 9, 10, 11, 12 already deleted on the each and every subject. Today I discuss about the deleted portion or deducted portion in mathematics in standard 9, which is in CBSE board. Okay, now discuss the topic is number system, which is real number. The topic removed from the real number chapter, which is the representation of terminating and non-terminating recurring decimal on the number line through successive magnifications. That means representation of terminating, non-terminating, recurring decimals. That means the representation of decimal number, which is whatever be the recurring number, whatever be the terminating number, non-terminating number. This is deleted portion in class 9 standard CBSE board. Is it clear to all? Now the second one is explaining that every real number is represented by a unique point on the number line, and conversely vice versa, every point on the number line represent a unique real number. That means the representation of the real number in the number line, every real number is represented by a unique point which is on the number line. This portion also be the deducted or deleted. That means the number line representation of the decimal number, real number is deleted. Okay, and the definition of the nth root of the real number, this is also be the deleted portion. Nth root, definition of the nth root of the real number also be the deleted portion on this chapter, real number. Now I discuss the next chapter, which is the deleted portion. Before going to the next portion of the video, please pause it and write in your copy. This is very fruitful for you when you giving the exam. Just you remember it. This is the deleted portion from the first chapter, which is real number. Now I discuss the second chapter, which is the polynomials. The polynomials chapter, in which portion is deleted. Now I discuss this one. This is the motivate and state the remainder theorem with example, state and proof of the factor theorem. Okay, now the remainder theorem is totally deleted, and statement and proof also with the factor theorem is totally deleted. Remainder theorem and factor theorem, state and proof deleted. Just you use the factor theorem, do the factorization of this chapter polynomials. Okay, just you do the factorization using the factor theorem also. No need to prove and state remainder theorem and factor theorem also. And which is the another topic is deleted. This is, listen carefully, this is the main basic formula, which is x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This formula is deleted from this chapter polynomials. Okay, now you cannot use this formula when you do the factorization because this portion is deleted. Okay, and the next one is the linear equation in two variables, which is the example problems on the ratio and proportion. Which problem is coming from the ratio and proportion? This example is deleted from the linear equations in two variables. Linear equations in two variables, the ratio proportion example is deleted. Okay, and this one, the quadratic geometry chapter is no deletion, and the geometry chapter, Euclid's geometry, this chapter is totally deleted from class 9 because of pandemic situation, COVID situation. That's why the CBSE board decided 30% of the syllabus, total syllabus of class 9 deleted from for this year only. Okay, that's why I am discussing this one. And Euclid's geometry is totally deleted. And lines and angles, there is no deletion. Lines and angles total chapter present here, and which is the coordinate geometry also total chapter is in your syllabus. Okay, before going to the next part of the video, just to write in your copy, and then I discuss the further topic and further chapter which portion is deleted. Okay, now we discuss the chapter triangles. In the triangles chapter, proof of the theorem deleted. Which theorem is deleted? Which theorem proof is deleted? Two triangles are congruent if any two angles and the included side of the one triangle is equal to any two angles and the included side of the other two triangles. That means ASA congruency. This is proof is totally deleted. This proof is totally deleted. ASA congruency proof is deleted from the class 9 syllabus. And the next topic is deleted. The triangle inequalities and relation. The topic between angle and facing side inequality in triangles. The topic is deleted. This is which topic? Triangle inequalities and relation between angle and facing side inequality in the triangles. That means triangles inequalities is deleted from your syllabus. And then the quadrilateral is no deletion. That means quadrilateral full chapter is present in your syllabus. And the area, that means area of parallelogram and area of which one? Area of parallelogram and area of the triangle. This is deleted from the chapter is total deleted. Area chapter is total deleted. That means areas of parallelograms and triangles. This chapter total deleted from class 9 syllabus. Okay. Now before going to and some chapters are remain. Now I discuss the next chapter. Before going to the next part of the video, please pause it and write in your copy. This is very helpful for you also. Now I discuss the chapter circles. In the circles chapter, there is one and only one circle passing through three given non-collinear points. That means there are one and only circle you can draw. There are one and only circle passing through three given non-collinear points. This portion is deleted. Okay. And the second one is if a line segment joining two points subtends angle equal angle. If a line segment joining two points, this is 2 points and sub A and B 2 points, subtends equal angle at two other point. Here is the another point and here is the another point, Q point, and lying on the same side of the line, the upper side, and containing the line segment, the 4 points lie on a circle. The 4 points lie on a circle. This proof is deleted from your syllabus. That means this angle and this angle are equal. Then if this angle and this angle are equal, then 4 points are in a circle. This is deleted from your syllabus. This book is deleted from your syllabus. And the next one, the construction. In the construction portion, construction of a triangle of giving perimeter and the base angle, not of a given perimeter and base angle. When the base angle is given and the perimeter also be given, the construction of a triangle is deleted. Okay, and the other construction is present in your class in the syllabus. And the mensuration portion areas, this is the applications of Heron's formula in find the area of the quadrilaterals. The applications of the Heron's formula, when you apply the Heron's formula, find the area of the quadrilateral. Applying the Heron's formula, find the area of the quadrilateral. This is deleted portion in your syllabus, class 9 standard CBSE board. Okay, now before going to the next part of the video, you just pause it and write in your copy, and then discuss in the then I discuss the next topic. Please you pause it and write in your copy. Now I discuss the surface area and volume. There is no division. Surface area, volume. This is cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder, cone is in your syllabus. There is no division. And the next, this is the last unit. This is statistics and probability. The last topic is statistics. Histogram. In the statistics portion, the histogram with varying base length. That means where the base length is varies, this type of histogram is deleted from your syllabus. And the second one, the frequency polygon is also deleted from your syllabus. And the mean, median, mode of ungrouped data. In the ungrouped data, mean, median, mode is deleted from your syllabus. Okay. And the last topic, probability, there is no deletion. This is the total deleted portion in class 9 standard CBSE board, and I think so the 30% syllabus already deleted. I think all the students will get much more marks in your half yearly and the annual exam. Best wishes for your half yearly and the annual exam. Before going to the next part of the video, please pause and write it. Up to this is the deleted part of class 9 standard CBSE board. Now, if you like my video, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please press the bell icon to get the further notification. And please subscribe my channel. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thanks a lot.